Today unboxing is on the Tomica TLV 711 Isuzu Elf Panel van. I'm very excited about this casting because this 711 van is a very common sight across the street of Japan, which will go across all the 711 outlets in Japan early in the morning or late at night. This will be a triple unboxing video, which I will showcase the 711 Tomica exclusive, also in Isuzu Elf casting. This is my very early collection, which is produced in the year 2000. It's a blue Tommy logo instead of Takara Tommy. It also has a 711 authentication sticker. Very simple and basic casting. It comes in a Tomica standard button wheels. It also includes a standard Tomica factory suspension. The 711 livery is printed onto the casting. It also includes an opening rear door, which is great. Overall, this is a very basic casting without any details. And I like how the 711 logo is misaligned on both sides of the van. And because it's retired, it's very hard to find in the market in my opinion. Next is another 711 exclusive van made in 2015. Unlike the earlier version, this has slightly more details. Here you can see the painted headlights, the printing of the logo, and also paint on the trimmings. You can see the signs of paint bubbling on the front, which I can't really help about it. And unlike the earlier version, the 711 logo is printed on decal. It also has an opening rear door, which you can access the cargo area. And now let's take a closer look at the Tomica TLV 711 van in true 1/64 scale. Behind you will notice the 711 authentication sticker. Wow, very nice! Just like what I saw last month in Japan. The mirrors are also included, which I'm not going to install it. Apart from the missing mirror, I have not much complaint about this casting. It looks very real. The 711 logo is printed on the decal and not directly onto the casting, which I'm a bit disappointed. There's also a lot of plastic component on this casting, and on close-up, apart from the missing mirror, the 711 van is just like the real thing. I really like the effort on the headlights. I think it's very impressive. And although the rear light is painted, it's very nicely done. And unlike the earlier versions, this TLV doesn't have any opening rear doors, as not to compromise the realism. For your info, this casting is fragile because it has many plastic components, which are very delicate, so please handle with care. Overall, this 711 van looks just like the real thing. I'm very impressed with this casting, and more Tomica TLV unboxing videos coming. This Tarmac Works Porsche RWB 930 is a random giveaway to my subscribers who actively comment, like and share my videos in this channel. I will pick the lucky subscriber in the beginning of 2020. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.